This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Epson L3210 and positioning it near the router. This reduces signal issues. Once done, press and hold the printer's Wi-Fi button until the Wi-Fi light flashes. This puts the unit in WPS listen mode. Make sure no USB cable is attached, because wired connections disable wireless setup. Then, within 2 minutes, press the router's WPS button. You must act promptly so the devices can find each other and exchange configuration automatically. Once the Wi-Fi light on the L3210 becomes steady, verify the connection by printing a network status sheet from the setup menu. This shows the assigned IP address. Next, install the Epson drivers on your computer or phone. Choose the network install method, select your SSID, and accept any prompts. Make sure to pick the printer by its IP if multiple devices appear. If prompted, allow firewall permissions so the driver can communicate with the printer over the local network. To finish, print a test page from your PC or phone to confirm scanning and printing over Wi-Fi work correctly. If something fails, reboot both the printer and router, wait 60 seconds, then retry the WPS sequence. This clears temporary network conflicts. If WPS repeatedly fails, run the Epson Network Setup utility for manual configuration. This lets you enter SSID and password directly. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable router MAC filtering and 5 GHz only mode, because the L3210 uses 4 GHz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.